In this video, you will learn how to open YouTube on your Chrome browser for Android. Let's just get right into it. First is to get to your Google Chrome app. So look at mine here, I will tap on it. As the Google Chrome app opens, tap inside this search area and type youtube.com and search. You may be taken to YouTube directly, just I have done here, all right? You may be taken to YouTube directly, or sometimes you may be asked whether to use YouTube app to open the link. Just tap on continue with the web, all right? Or continue here, depending on the term used from your end. Okay, so don't allow it to open with the suitable app. Alternatively, when you are trying to open youtube.com, if you are directly opened on the YouTube app, look at how you're going to fix it. So I'll tap on home. Okay, so long press on your YouTube app, then select app info. As the YouTube settings page opens, just as you can see, scroll down and you see this section named open by default. The term used for your own end may be different, but use your mind or your brain to get what I'm trying to say. So tap on that. Then once you tap, you'll be taken to this page. You will see this section that says open supported links. Toggle off the button. All right. So once you toggle off the button, the next time you're accessing YouTube, on the browser, Chrome browser, you will say allowed to do what you want to do on the browser instead of automatically getting redirected to the YouTube app. If this helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.